I tested 8 of the most popular ceramic spray sealants that people just won't shut up about. And look, I've been testing spray sealants for over 10 years now, and in all that time, nobody has lasted more than 2 months. So the question remains, can today's ceramic sprays finally break the 2 months barrier in a real world test? I applied them, left the car outside for 8 weeks, no washes, no maintenance, and the results? Let's find out. Today's car is a Toyota Corolla. It's beat up, it lives outside. So let's start first by prepping the car right before applying our products. As far as the prep is concerned, I started with a decontamination shampoo by Armor Supply, and then I did a second wash with an acidic shampoo to make sure we have the cleanest paint as possible. Next step is cleaning the car top to bottom, making sure we have a contaminant-free paint. And as you can see, the paint is super flat. We have no water beading, no special water behavior to speak of. And finally, I did use a panel prep, making sure we have, again, the cleanest paint, the most bare paint, ready to be protected by our spray sealants. By the way, every products and tools used and mentioned during this video are going to be linked down below in the description. You can always use the coupon code DOGMA, and that's the best way to support this channel. Thank you so much. Product number 1 is Kushemi S002. This one was highly requested by you guys. This one is very slick. It's fun to use, no streaking. I like the presentation, I like the sprayer. This is the most expensive product on today's test, and Kushemi is one of the most reputable brand on the car detailing game. This one is definitely top 2 or 3 in terms of ease of use, and the gloss from this is in the top 2. I'm bringing back Griots Garage 3-in-1, the fans' favorite. This product really underperformed in my previous test, but so far the user experience with this is great. I have to admit it. No real streaking, good scent, nice presentation. You get a good amount of product for the price, nice sprayer, easy to use, not the slickest product. So basically, Griots Garage 3-in-1 for me is a middle of the road type of product. Next product is Turtle Wax SealnShine, another one that is a fan favorite. This is the best value product in this lineup. This is easy to use, not very slick, does not have a great smell. The packaging for me is really average, nothing impressive here, but for 14 bucks, you have to expect something in that realm. But overall, it's been doing really good in the chemical resistance test. I can link it right here. And this product has seen many revisions. This one is the last test. I bought this at Walmart this summer. Product number 4 is Clean by Pan Ceramic Spray Sealant. This product check all the boxes. I have been testing this product in and out since it came out last year in around July 2024. This product has a good sprayer, nice presentation, great fragrance, the best fragrance of the bunch here. Amazing gloss, saturation of the paint, depth added to the paint. You can see it on that red Toyota that hasn't been polished. It is side by side with Kushemi S002 in terms of gloss, saturation, ease of use. This product is also half the price of Kushemi. Next up, we have Armor Supply Ceramic Spray Sealant. This is the V2, a new version, improved and revised. You also have the new improved designs and label. You have a quality sprayer, great presentation. This product is now as easy as before, but not as slick. But overall, they have improved the chemical resistance by a long shot. So this product for me gets a 7 out of 10, no real fragrance, and we shall see about the durability. By the way, I'm not gonna talk about the gloss for every single product. The only 2 products that really impress me, that really stand out, is the Clean by Pan and the Kushemi. Next up is Bola Solution Z. This is their improved and now slicker version of their ceramic spray sealant. This is easy to use. I haven't noticed streaking in the ideal condition. Not the slickest product here, but not the worst. No real nice fragrance to it. So this one is in the higher or more expensive product in this lineup. Next up is Ethos Graphene Resist. This one is easy to use, good fragrance, no streaking unless you go too quickly. This is not a quick detailer, so keep that in mind. Apply them section by section. But other than that, I would give it an 8 out of 10 when it comes to user experience. Ethos Resist is also on its second or a third revision, so this product has been improved and should last longer. Now we have Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. This product claims 50 washes, durability, easy to use, probably one of the slickest product. This product is probably at the top with Koshemi and Clean by Pan. I've had my own issue with this product on a different test, but overall, I'd say the user experience with this is probably a 9 out of 10. No pleasant fragrance for this one, and this product delivers 14 ounces, while the standard in the industry is 16 ounces, so that's one thing to keep note. This is also made in the US. I'm not a big fan of this sprayer, but this product comes with a microfiber towel, which is a plus. From here, I gave the car back to the owner, which is an older person, so it's still a daily driver, but doesn't drive a whole lot. And the temperature, the conditions were fairly mild. This is late summer, early fall, so no freezing, no real harsh conditions. And keep in mind, in this product line, we have claims from 3 to 6 months, up to 6 months, 6 to 12 months durability, 50 washes, the best spray sealant on the market, and so on. Start with our initial rinse. I can see some water beading here and there, but nothing impressive. On the initial rinse before wash, before washing, Total Wax is looking the best. I'm curious to know here if washing the car is going to help them out, revive them, or is going to finish them off. pH neutral soap. Now, this is not the end. What's going to happen next might change how you see spray sealants altogether. After our pH neutral car wash, I can see all of them on the roof really struggling, Ethos being probably the better one here. On the hood, all 4 products are really struggling for their life. They lost most of their performance, Koshemi being the worst, and all other 3 products are very, very slow sheeting. Next, we're gonna use that one last trick to try to revive them. Now the next step might change the results altogether. Ethos is the only one that is remaining. All other 3 are dead. Alright, so we're going to use the Purifica at 1 to 100 in the bucket. Now we're going to use an acidic shampoo. Purifica from Labo Cosmetica is widely accepted as the best acid shampoo to revive protection, revive ceramic coatings, and remove minerals to reveal a true results in terms of performance of our protection products. Now I'm washing the whole car with Purifica, giving it the most and longest dwell time. I even added soap on top to give it the best chance possible to revive those products. Okay, we're here after the acid wash. there is Cerakote. Ethos. Ethos fighting for its life a little bit. So Ethos better than the other three on the roof. That's your pan. Yeah, so if you wait a little bit, they'll show up. That's your ADS here. Pretty much dead. And here is your Vola Solution Z. So it improved by, I'd say, like 10%. We have a similar result. So Turtle Wax being the fastest sheeting, then that's the pan, and third place is probably Griots, but very struggling. So for those who are getting 6-12 months in the comment section, yeah. So my third video about this one. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you my personal ranking here, but I have to admit, none of them have really impressed me. If you read the advertised durability, this is really a letdown for me in my opinion. But nonetheless, these products are effective, they improve gloss, they add water beading, but you have to reapply all the time. That's what they forget to put on the label. So pan is first place in my opinion, then the Turtle Wax, Griots, and last place is Koshimi when it comes to the fast sheeting. Still in 2025, some brands are making some big claims, but they still can't come out with a spray sealant that lasts more than 2 months on even mild weather. So my final recommendation, my favorite product, the product that I use for quick jobs that improve the gloss, that checks all the boxes, that has a nice user experience, no streaking, is the Clean by Pan spray sealant. For me, it's the best, but not by a long shot. This is some minor details here and there, but it still outperforms everything and everyone in a real world test, in the chemical test. And for me, as I am testing so many products, this is the one that I choose the most and that I always go back to. And if you are on the cheap side and chasing dollars, you can always go with the Ice SealnShine. There is not that big of a gap, but still this one is better. So with that said, my friends, watch this video right here. YouTube thinks you're gonna love it.